You're listening to the American Democracy Minute, keeping your government by and for the people. Maine voters approved a ballot question limiting contributions to a Super PAC to $5,000 in 2024. It was overturned by a federal district court, but now it's headed to the First Circuit Court of Appeals with some unlikely allies, Billionaires. The challenge to special interest contributions to Super PACs has been championed by Harvard Law School professor Lawrence Lessig and his nonprofit Equal Citizens. He and others argue that the U.S. Supreme Court upheld contribution limits in Buckley v. Vallejo as an accepted means to prevent quid pro quo corruption. Sports business journal Sportico reports that billionaire pharmaceutical entrepreneur, part owner of the Dallas Mavericks, and Shark Tank star Mark Cuban and 4 other billionaire activists are siding with Maine voters. Cuban, along with venture capitalists Vin Ryan and Steve JURVETSON, LinkedIn co-founder Reid Hoffman, and investment firm president William von MUEFFLING, filed a friend of the court brief in late October. They argue and provide examples of how so-called independent expenditures to super PACs can, quote, create a serious risk of actual quid pro quo corruption and its appearance. They also argue that limiting but not prohibiting contributions has minimal impact on a donor's free speech. The case will be heard in early 2026 and may reach the U.S. Supreme Court by fall. We've linked the brief and more on the case at AmericanDemocracyMinute.org. I'm Brian Beal.